Hello, good afternoon. This is Mr. Gomez. I'm a little sick, so I will not be there today. Um, so hopefully this video will help you guide you through the project that you're going to do. Um, what we're going to do today is we're going to do our best to copy the handout that you will be getting in class. So at this point, you should have received a copy of a poem. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Microsoft Word to copy and then format that poem. And we're going to see if we can make sure that it's as close to what we see on the paper as possible. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Microsoft Word. So I'm going to start. If you see the shortcut right here, you can just open it right here. If not, you can all programs, Microsoft Office 2013, Word 2013. So we're going to open that up. And then we're going to click on the blank document here. And I'm going to start typing a poem, and I'm going to see if you can follow. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my style. I'm going to set my font size to 12. I did that right here. And now I'm going to write the title of the poem, so I need to center it. So I'm going to click right here. And then I'm going to click bold. And I am going to write the title of the poem. So this is a poem, an old English poem called Solomon Grundy. And now I'm going to press enter. That'll take me down to the middle here. Now I want to actually go back to the left side. I want to align left, and I'm going to write the poem. Oops, it looks like I'm bolded still, so I need to take it off of bold. There we go. And then I'm separating. I'm going to use a comma and then enter. Comma, enter. Comma, enter. Comma, enter. Oh, that's not today. Windows put in the date automatically. So I'm going to enter. Comma, enter. Comma, enter. Comma, enter. Comma, enter. Okay. And so I'm going to put a period at the end. Okay. So next step I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size and the style. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything. I'm going to Control A on the keyboard. And now I'm going to pick my style. This time I'm going to go with something else. I'm going to go with Century Gothic. That's going to be right here. And now I'm going to change the size. I'm going to highlight just the poem part. And I'm going to change the size up to about 16. Here we go. And now I'm going to start formatting. Using the control keys, Control U. Using control, sorry about that. Like I said, I'm sick, so sorry about that. I had a little bit of a nose problem there. And so I'm going to underline these right here. And I'm just highlighting and I'm using Control U on the keyboard. So I'm using keyboard shortcuts for this. And if you're wondering what else how I'm doing it, you can also use this right here. And so there we go. And I'm also going to highlight the bottom. And now I'm going to make it bold. I could do that right here. Now this seems awful small, so I'm actually going to highlight the title. I'll make that a little bit bigger. There we go. And I'm also going to put it in italics. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in italics right there. All right. All right, so the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So I'm going to Control S. That's going to bring up my save as. I'm going to click right here where it says My Documents. I'm going to double click. And nice thing is I already have the name of the poem right here, so I really don't need to do anything different. I'm going to click Documents, and I'm going to look for my Q4 2014 folder. There we are. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, double click. I'm going to go into my document folder, double click, and I'm going to go ahead and save it right here. So I'm going to click Save. There we go. All right. All right, so there we go. So this whole process at this point should probably take you about 20 to 30 minutes depending on how how you're doing. Okay, so let's see if you could do your best to try to make it look like the printout. Actually, I'm going to print it right now for you. All right, so if you have any questions, you can ask me some questions on Monday. And until then, I will see you on Monday. Uh, Thank you very much and have a good weekend.